I'll be showing you how to add a flashlight to the lock screen of your Samsung Galaxy S24. So currently we have two shortcuts, which is the phone shortcut and the camera shortcut. So I'll be showing you how to replace one of these shortcuts with a touch in case that's what you want on your lock screen. So go ahead and unlock your phone and then go to settings. On the main settings page, scroll down to lock screen and always on display, tap on that, and then you want to go to edit lock screen, like that. Okay, now alternatively you can go to the lock screen itself, long press on the lock screen, enter your password, and it's going to open the lock screen editor. So select one of the shortcuts between these two. For instance, I'll pick that one, and then I'll change the icon from the phone icon to touch, and then I'll tap on done in the top right corner, and that's going to save that change. So from now on, you can see on my lock screen I have the touch on my lock screen, which I can just turn on by swiping and turn off by swiping again. Okay, so on, off, right from the lock screen. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.